Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd, fa'a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah An-Nisa wa rusulan qad qasasnahum alayka min qablu wa rusulan lam naqsusuhum alayka wa kallama Allah Musa taklima. Translation: And messengers about whom we have narrated to you before, and messengers about whom we have not mentioned to you, and unto Musa Allah spoke directly. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sends messengers, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives the message to them in the form of wahi, but this wahi can be in different forms. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have sent message and wahi to his messengers, that sometimes an angel brings the message, sometimes a written book is sent as it was sent to Musa alayhi salam, and sometimes Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala directly talks to the messenger, and this is an exceptional situation that is given to Prophet Musa alayhi salam in this world only. But whatever way Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala chooses to give the wahi remains wahi, and the people has to follow the wahi, and it is fard on all the humans to follow that commandment. Now Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has sent the wahi to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam with the angel Jibreel alayhi salam, and the non-believers and Jews said that how come the whole book was not given to Musa alayhi salam, like Musa alayhi salam to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has sent in this ayah that this is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's decision, and he chooses the method he wants to choose. Even if somebody is not accepting the wahi, this is his ignorance, and this is complete kufr. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.